Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to speed up your computer in a few simple steps. These tips are easy, safe, and work on any Windows PC. Let's get started. First, let's disable apps that start automatically. Click on the Start menu and type Task Manager. Now, open Task Manager and go to the Startup tab. Turn off any apps you don't need. This will make your computer start much faster. Now let's remove junk files. Okay, now open the Start menu and search Run. Now open the Run and search Temp. Click OK and delete all the files in each folder. Next, use Disk Cleanup. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu. Click Open, select your C drive, and click OK. Tick all the boxes, then click Clean Up System Files. This can free up a lot of space in C drive. After doing these steps, restart your computer. This refreshes the system and helps it run faster.